Hello students, today I am solving 2019 Corporate Accounting question paper. 5-mark question I am solving here on amalgamation. Let us go through the problem. Akash Limited agreed to take over the business of Bhumi Limited. The share capital of Bhumi Limited consists of 9,000 equity shares of 100 each fully paid and 4,500 10% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid. The debentures are 12,000 of rupees 100 each. Akash Limited has agreed as under. It agreed to pay like this. First one, to issue 6 preference shares of rupees 100 each for every 8 preference shares in Bhumi Limited. Means if preference shareholders are holding 8 shares in Bhumi Limited, they will get 6 preference shares in Akash Limited. If preference shareholders are holding 8 shares in Bhumi Limited, they will get 6 shares in Akash Limited. So total number of preference shares are 4,500. Then what will be the total shares in Akash Limited? We have to calculate like that. So it will be 6 by 8 into 4,500. Total number of preference shares will be 3,375 and paying rate is 100 each. Therefore paying value is 3,37,500. Okay, it is about preference shares. Let us look at the second adjustment. To issue mortgage debentures in Bhumi Limited, which are to be redeemed at a premium of 20%. Debentures does not consist of purchase consideration. Those are directly paid by the transferee company. Here which is the transferee company? Akash Limited is the transferee company. So it will pay debentures at premium to debenture holders. Okay, it is not part of the purchase consideration. We have to write a note after calculation of the purchase consideration. Third adjustment, to issue 5 equity shares of rupees 100 each at the market value of rupees 120 each in exchange for every 4 equity shares held in Bhumi Limited. That means if equity shareholders are holding 4 shares in Bhumi Limited, they will get 5 equity shares in Akash Limited. That means if you have 4 equity shares in Bhumi Limited, equity shareholders, you will get 5 shares in Akash Limited. Okay, total number of equity shares are 9,000. Then what will be the total number of equity shares? So here it goes like 5 by 4 into 9,000 is equal to 11,250. Agreed value per share is, that is market value is 120. the total amount will be 13,50,000. Okay, it is about equity share. So let us go to the next point. What is the payment of purchase consideration value? Last one, to pay cash of ₹25 per equity share. That means in spite of paying 120 rupees per share and 5 equity shares, in spite of 4 equity shares, Aakash Limited is paying 25 rupee in cash to equity per equity share. So old number of equity shares is multiplied with 25. Old number of equity share is 9,000. 9,000 into 25 is paid in cash. So let us calculate the purchase consideration. This method of purchase consideration is exchange ratio method. We have altogether 5 methods. So calculation of purchase consideration. First one, in preference shares. In every 8 shares of Bhumi receives 6 shares from Aakash Limited. So it receives 4,500 into 6 by 8. That is 3,375 shares in Aakash Limited. Already we have calculated this in rough work. We are preparing in statement now. Okay. So total preference share capital will be 3,375 into 100. Amount is 3,37,500. In equity shares, for every 4 equity shares, Bhumi company receives 5 equity shares from Aakash Limited. So it receives 9,000 into 5 by 4. That means 4 share ka 5 share kodakatara. Total number of equity shares adava 9,000. Adakke enatile 9,000 into 5 by 4 agtati. Total number of equity shares will be 11,250. And it is multiplied with 120. Market value estaiti 120 aitadalle. So amount is 13,50,000. And further cash is paid. So in cash ₹25 per share is paid. Old number of equity shares are 9,000 into 25. Amount will be 2,25,000. So add all 3 amounts. It will be 19,68,750. Total purchase consideration. Total purchase consideration. Okay. So after solving the purchase consideration, calculation of the purchase consideration, you have to make a note, as we have not forming the debentures redeemed in purchase consideration. So write debentures redeemed does not form a part of purchase consideration. The transferee company will separately pay the amount to the debenture holders. Okay, it is 5 mark question. Hope you all understood the problem. If you have liked my video, subscribe it and like it. Thank you.